everything that I earn, I cut it into threes. So I have 1/3 that is for my family, 1/3 that I invest, and 1/3 that I give in charity. And that's how I allocate all of my wealth. 1/3 for my family, 1/3 I invest, and 1/3 that goes to sadaqah. So this is the divine equation for good in our lives. Now, what I'd want for you to take from this, beyond just the angels and things of that sort, charity should be a daily habit. Don't wait for the fundraisers. Don't wait for somebody to invite you to Jannah, right? This is your place. This is your reward. This is something between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this is especially true when people are not attending the fundraisers that they typically would because of their circumstances, right? This is particularly true now that you push yourself and you don't hesitate, and charity becomes due upon you every single day, even if it's a small amount, whether it's $1 that you put in a day or you put in a coin a day. Then it was just to get everyone in the habit of putting in something, a penny, a nickel, something every single day that goes towards sadaqah. And then at the end of the month, we'd give it away in charity. And so even when you're thinking about your families, if you've taken a course with me before, even if you take like a 2-liter bottle and call it our Jannah bottle, and teach your family that, look, every single day we're going to give something in sadaqah. If I had that moment to find the most righteous person in the world and say, hey, I want you to remember me every single day and ask Allah to give me, then all of us would take that opportunity. But here you have an opportunity that the Prophet ﷺ is saying, where you could have an angel literally holding on to the gates of Al-Jannah, praying for you, making dua for you to be rewarded with that. One angel says, Allahumma a'ti munfiqan khalafa. The other one says, Allahumma a'ti mumsikan talafa. O Allah, give to the one who gives, and O Allah, withhold from the one who withholds. Man yuqrid al-yawm yujza ghadan. Whoever gives a beautiful loan today will be given a beautiful reward tomorrow.